Konnichiwa mga KaMochi! Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video is we're going to Aeon Mall Shinkomatsu. So for today, ipipick up natin yung iPhone 13 Pro Max ng asawa ko sa AU. Kasi tumawag kanina and then for pick up na daw yung kanya iPhone 13 Pro Max in Sierra Blue. So yeah, let's go. Tingnan natin kung gaano kaganda ang iPhone 13 Pro Max. Alright, so see you later! So, ayan, nandito tayo sa Aeon. So, ganito ang mall sa Japan. Ayan. Kami. So, happy ka? Sa iPhone 13? Ano si Deska?
No.
Ha?
Issue?
Issue? So, pareho lang daw yun. Lumaki lang daw. So, uwi na kami. So, ayan yung mall. Uwi na kami. Bye-bye! So, what we have here is the iPhone 13 Pro Max. We got the iPhone 13 in Sierra Blue in 128 gigabytes. So there you go. In 3, 2, 1. Inside the box, we have the USB lighting cable. Yan, nagtitipid ang Apple, so ito lang ang meron sila inside the box. So yung SIM card protector. So wala nang product manual. So hindi ko siya mabasa dahil naka-Japanese. So, it's like the warranty, yun. Tapos, ayun, na mahiwagang Apple sticker. Yeah, iba na rin yung texture niya. So, environmental friendly daw sila, kaya ito na lang yung laman nitong box. Oh well. Yan, there you go. And then, yeah. So this is the Sierra Blue. Look at the lenses. So big. Ang laki niya, as in kakaiba siya doon sa iPhone 12 Pro Max. As in, ang laki ng lens. Lumaki to, kumapal. Ayun. And then between the two. So dito, magkaiba lang sila sa lens. Talaga. I mean, yung pagkalaki ng lens niya. As in, ang laki ng lens dito. Kung makikita niyo sa personal. Compare dito sa, ito ay the 12 Pro Max. And this is the 13. And then, dito sa harapan naman is yung speaker. Humaba yung speaker. Tapos dito may lang. And then, yung arrangement ng mga lens dito, sensor is magkakaiba. Dito is isang diretso. Sa 12 Pro Max is nandito siya. Dito, yan. Kasi nasa baba yung, nasa gitna yung speaker. Dito naman is nasa taas. Ayan. Tsaka mas visible siya. Well, ito kasi may protector. Ito wala. So, yeah. And then, pareho lang din naman sila dito. So, there you go guys. Tapos na natin i-unbox ang iPhone 13 Pro Max. So, now it's time to review. Ano nga ba yung pinagkaiba nitong iPhone 13 Pro Max sa iPhone 12 Pro Max? So, iPhone 12 Pro Max was released last year and this one is this year. And now, ano nga bang pinagkaiba nitong dalawang to? It's more heavier than this one. Kasi this one is 240 grams and this one 228 grams. Yeah. And yung kaiba nila, the notch. When we say the notch is yung nandito sa taas. Makikita dito yung lens, yung sensor, and yung speaker nandito sa taas. While the 13, this is the 13 Pro Max, makikita niyo yung speaker niya is nasa taas. And then this one is nasa gitna ng mga sensor at saka ng camera. And then, yung camera, of course, is lumaki yung lens niya. And, yung dito, pag nakita niyo siya sa personal, yung dito niya is naging thick compared dito sa 12. And, lumaki din yung, niya, yung camera niya dito, yung lens niya, kumapal siya. Sabi ng mga nagre-review, battery life. So, ano nga ba ang battery life nito? 13 Pro Max. 2.5 hours longer battery life compared to 12 Pro Max. And ang kagandahan din nito is may 1 terabytes na storage. And while the 12 Pro Max has only 512 gigabytes. 13 Pro Max is the cinematic. Sobrang ganda, as in kapag nasa frame ka, magpo-focus sa'yo and then blurry sa likod mo automatically. And then pag wala ka na sa frame, automatic na hindi na blur yung background mo. Sobrang ganda, and I will show you guys what I captured during this cinematic shoot. This is how the iPhone 13 Pro Max looks like in a cinematic effect. I am focused right now, and look at the background. This is how it looks like, right? Sa bilis naman ng pag-scroll ng iPhone na to is, it has a 120 Hz Pro motion, and then this one has a 60 Hz lang. So kapag nagba-browsing ka, mas mabilis siya. So to summarize it, ang ganda talaga ang iPhone 13 Pro Max. Well, again, as sinasabi ko sa inyo, if mag-a-update kayo, mag-a-upgrade kayo ng phone, choose wisely. Anyways, baka next year, kasi every year nag-update ang iPhone, ang Apple, right? So, yun. If it's worth the money, then get it. But don't be broke, okay? If you want to see more of the unboxing, the Apple stuff, just keep on looking at my videos, my vlogs. And if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, just subscribe na, alright? And click the notification bell para mag-updated ka sa mga next videos ko.